Good morning, dear children. Welcome to our class. Children, as we already know about the four major metropolitan cities of our country, and we have discussed in detail about Delhi, Kolkata, and Chennai, now the next in the list is Mumbai. Mumbai is also a very important city of our country, India. After all, Mumbai is the largest city of our country. And just like other metropolitan cities, it has the same hustle and bustle. Everybody seems to be in a hurry to get somewhere. The roads are full of traffic. There are all kinds of places to visit, food to eat, and people to meet. Mumbai became the capital of Maharashtra in 1960. Its former name was Bombay. In 1955, Bombay was renamed Mumbai. Around 1534, sailors from Portugal arrived here and found out that it is a good place to stop, load and unload goods. They named it Bombay or Good Bay. Mumbai is situated on the coast of Arabian Sea. The area at the core of Mumbai city today was built by uniting 7 islands: the Isle of Bombay, Colaba, Old Woman's Island, Mahim, Mazgaon, Parel and Worli. It is the most populous city in India and the 6th most populous city in the world. Mumbai is the richest city in India and the 12th richest city in the world. It is also the commercial capital of India. That means it has major industrial output and 70% of capital transaction in Indian economy. Mumbai is also known as the city of dreams or Maya Nagari, as it offers limitless opportunities to all the Indians. Being the capital of Maharashtra, all the important offices of the government and the residence of the governor, chief minister and other ministers are in Mumbai. Children, do you know where Mumbai gets its name from? Children, Mumbai was named after the local goddess Mumba Devi or Maha Amba, which means mother in Marathi. The people who originally lived in the Mumbai area are the Kolis. The people living here are called Mumbaikars. You can hear Marathi, which is also the official language of Maharashtra, Konkani, Hindi, English and almost all the Indian languages being spoken on the streets. Mumbai has mild climate. As it is close to the coast of Arabian Sea, the weather here is very humid most of the year. From June to September, there is heavy rainfall. At times, the rainwater rises up to knee level or even higher. Between November and February, it is cool and pleasant. People here like to eat vada pav, pav bhaji, bhel puri, pani puri and other similar food items. Aflatun, Shrikhand are the popular delicious dessert eaten here. Almost all the major festivals like Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Eid, Christmas are celebrated here. But Ganesh Chaturthi is the most popular festival in the city. Mumbai is known for its industries. Textile is still very important industry here. Other than textile, petrochemicals is also very important. An oil field named Mumbai High is 160 km off the coast of Mumbai. Petroleum is extracted from seabed here. Other major industries include metals, electronics, food processing, and many more. Mumbai's film industry is Bollywood. It is also known as India's Hollywood. All the famous film stars and other actors also live in Mumbai. And if you are lucky enough, you may see a film star or a shooting of some film or a drama. Mumbai is also a home to major financial institutions such as Reserve Bank of India, the National Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange, etc. It also has the offices of several prestigious Indian companies and various multinational companies. The increasing business opportunities offer the people in Mumbai a higher standard of living. Many important education institutions are also located in Mumbai. They attract thousands of students every year. Some famous institutes are Bhabha Atomic Research Center, IIT, Tata Institute of Social Science, and many more. Children, do you know that the first railway service in India was started from Mumbai? It was built between Mumbai and Thane in 1852, and the first passenger train ran between the two stations covering a distance of 34 kilometers on 16th April 1853. Isn't it interesting? Mumbai is well connected by a network of transport system. Local trains connect the different parts of this big city. Most people here depend on local trains for transport. Metro trains are also an important means of transport. People here use buses to travel from one part of the city to another. Some of the buses are even double-decker or have 2 stories. Black and yellow taxis are also very famous means of transport here. One of the grandest buildings of Mumbai is also one of the busiest railway stations of India. Yes, you guessed it right. It's the Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. The international airport here is also named as Chhatrapati Shivaji International Airport. It is the busiest airport in India. It was earlier known as Sahar Airport. Now children, it's fun to be in Mumbai. It has many places of importance. People from various parts of the country come to visit them every year. One can spend quality vacation with family in Mumbai. Mumbai never disappoints anyone. Let us discuss some amazing places to hang out in Mumbai. The Gateway of India. It is an important place in Mumbai. The Grand Gate was built to celebrate the visit of British King George V and Queen Mary in 1911. It has 4 towers and beautiful stone carvings. Behind the arch, there are steps leading down to the sea. Here, one can get onto little motorboats and sail through Mumbai's splendid natural harbour. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus. Chhatrapati Shivaji Terminus was earlier known as the Victoria Terminus. It was built in 1887 to mark the Golden Jubilee of Queen Victoria of Britain. It is one of the busiest railway stations in India. Now children, did you know that Mumbai has a necklace? Much like a queen's gold necklace that glitters at night. Yes, it is the beautiful road of Marine Drive. The road curves around the coastline. At night, when the lights of the buildings which line the road light up, it looks like a bright, sparkling necklace. Being near the coast of Arabian Sea, Mumbai has some wonderful beaches. Juhu Beach is one of the most famous beaches in Mumbai. It is situated on the shores of Arabian Sea in Juhu suburb. Here, Chowpatty, Versova are also among the famous beaches. People can spend time eating and watching the sunset with their families. There are food stalls selling mouth-watering food and delicious meals and desserts which people can enjoy while admiring the beauty of the sea and the sunset. Elephanta Caves date back to the 5th century. They are situated at the Elephanta Island, which is 10 kilometers away from the Gateway of India. Victoria Gardens was the old name of Rani Jijamata Udyan in Mumbai. It is a beautiful garden where people come to relax and enjoy with their families. Overlooking the Chopati beach is the Kamla Nehru Park. Here you can climb up a huge boat that will remind you of the nursery rhyme about the old woman who lived in a shoe. Nearby is the Hanging Gardens or the Firoz Shah Mehta Gardens. Plants here are trimmed in the shape of animals, are a special sight in this garden. The Nehru Science Center and Planetarium is a very interesting place here, where you can learn about the planets and stars. There are special telescopes that are used to watch space objects. It also has an old railway engine and a tram car. Haji Ali Dargah is one of the most popular religious places visited by people of all the religions. It is situated off the shoreline of Mumbai in the middle of the sea. It was built in 19th century. Siddhivinayak Temple is also one of the famous temples in Mumbai, built in 1801. It is also visited by many devotees every day. It is one of the richest temples in India. Now children, do you know that Mumbai has its own ways of keeping clean and green? The Sanjay Gandhi National Park, also known as the Borivali National Park, serves as the green lungs for the city. It keeps the air clean and fresh. It was established in 1996 and is one of the most visited parks in the world. It has more of trees and animals and has very cool and refreshing atmosphere. People come here for the morning walk on daily basis. Now children, it's time for the task of the day. Imagine that one of your friends is going on a vacation to Mumbai. What would you like to tell him or her about this place? Write 5 sentences and send the picture of the same to your teacher. So children, I hope you enjoyed this video and found out so many things about this amazing city, Mumbai. Have a nice day. Thank you.